Simple teas for heart patients. 1. Green tea. Green tea is packed with antioxidants and polyphenols that are thought to help reduce inflammation and protect the body against heart disease. 2. Ginger tea. Ginger tea is known for its anti-inflammatory properties, which can help reduce cholesterol and triglycerides, as well as lower blood pressure. 3. Chamomile tea. Chamomile tea has been used for centuries as a natural remedy for heart health. It is thought to help reduce stress, which can lead to heart disease and other health problems. 4. Cinnamon tea. Cinnamon tea has been shown to help reduce cholesterol and triglycerides, as well as improve circulation. It may also help reduce the risk of heart disease and stroke. 6. Hibiscus tea. This tea is high in antioxidants and can help reduce cholesterol and aid in digestion. It can also help reduce risk of stroke and can help lower blood pressure.